And that's an important point. We can come back and talk about it. Behavior comes before cognition, right? Crickets don't have brains, man, but they behave. So you do not need a brain to behave.
Right. They're not processing it through a frontal
And
lobe thinking thoughts.
And we're not actually either. We're behaving first, and then we're thinking thoughts about the behavior, right?
So
and we can
script about the behavior.
And we can sort of modify the behavior with our prefrontal cortex. It's an aid. Our prefrontal cortex aids our hypothalamus. It serves our hypothalamus, right? The hypothalamus is your central old part of your brain where you get hunger and thirst and your sex drive, regulate your heart, and right? That generates the desires that make you thirsty or hungry or sexy or etc. And then your prefrontal cortex helps them accomplish it. It's in the same sort of relationship that your cell phone serves your prefrontal cortex, right? Because you have a cell phone in your hand, you have better memory. You can navigate better. Right? It serves, but it's not in charge of.
It kind of goes through that filter from
Well, so your hypothalamus tells you you're hungry, right?
Now what are you gonna do?
So now the prefrontal cortex says, "Man, we need to go get some food," and so, but it's doing what the hypothalamus told it to do, right? You ever like try to diet all day and then like you find yourself in the kitchen just mowing food, right? And you just can't stop, and you're like, "What the heck am I doing?" Well, you're not in charge of your brain, right? Your prefrontal cortex is not in charge. Your hypothalamus is in charge. It's going to make you eat.